Hey guys, it's me again. Let's take a close look at the Nike Dunk High Fragment City Pack Tokyo. I managed to get a hold of this through Novelship. Unfortunately, there's no news of an international release of this version as of yet. I decided to do a little bit more digging to this than when I reviewed the Beijing last time. The original City Pack from 2010 is comprised of Beijing, New York, and London. The Beijing one is the purple and black colorway, with the left sneaker inverted. The New York one is blue and black on the left sneaker, while the right one is red and black. Both sneakers have white mid panel. And then you have the London, which is the red and yellow McDonald's colorway. And it's also asymmetric with the inverted colorways on the other side. This Tokyo release is apparently a replacement on the New York City Pack, foregoing the white mid panel and opting for just black and blue colorway. The materials seem to be on par with the 2021 Beijing release, which is not bad, but not something to get too excited about. One weird thing about this release though is that the Fragment logo debossing is smaller than the Beijing and also less prominent, because it uses the same blue color rather than the white used on the Beijing pair. It's a weird design decision. I don't know why they would release it like this, because the logo just seems different from the Beijing pair. Should you get it? Well, I thought this will be better than the Beijing because of the color choice. But having them side by side, I feel like the Beijing is better. If you need to choose one, get the Beijing City Pack. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video, and follow me on Instagram.